One of the easiest method of importing files is not necessarily to use the start screen. Instead, we use the folder system. Now, for those of you using a Mac, I'll say it again, you will be using the Finder application. For those of you using Windows, you'll be using Explorer. So whichever folder system you're using, let's open it up and find our exercise files. And let's go ahead and click on the dinner plate. Now, as I highlight it, I will right click and you'll get another menu over here. And one of the options is to open with. And when I click on open with, lo and behold, there's Adobe Photoshop. And I will click on that and there it is. The image opens up in Photoshop, no questions asked. Let's go back and try something new. This time I may want to try multiple files. So I will go ahead and click on softball and toddler. And I will right click, open with Photoshop, and it will open up, and all three images that I've selected using the folder system is now available in Photoshop. And let's stick with our folder systems. This time I'm going to show you how to drag files instead of right-clicking. So let's open up our folder system, and as you can see, the same exercise files. Let's go ahead and select Classroom and drag it into the start screen. Let go, and there it is. Alright, let's go ahead and shut this down. And let's drag in more files. This time I'm going to select multiple files. Okay, remember, if you're using a Mac, you press and hold the Command key. If you're using Windows, it's the Control key. So I'm going to select 1, 2, 3, and 4 files and drag them all in. And all 4 files are now in Photoshop.